Find 9/50th of the value x from the given series. So there is a series given here. We have to find out 9/50th of this value from this. First of all, find out what is x from the series. What do you think is x? Look at this: 95, 87, 114, x, and 175. Compare. See, interestingly, this is like an a series where it's decreasing and increasing alternatively, right? 95 decreases to 87, increases to 114, then probably decreases and increases. So basically some alternate additions and subtractions here. So what do? Find out the differences first. 95 and 87, what's the difference? 8. Actually minus 8, right? I mean 95 minus 8 is 87. Then 87 and 114, 13 plus 14, I think this is plus 27. We have no clue about what the difference is here, right? But the moment you see 8 and 27, something should strike. What is that? These are cubes, right? Perfect cubes. This is like minus 2 cube and this is plus 3 cube. So probably the next one should be minus 4 cube and it should be plus 5 cube. If these satisfy the given sequence, then we know what is x. So try that out. See, minus 4 cube is minus 64. What is 114 minus 64? 114 minus 64 will make x as 50. And then plus 5 cube, which is plus 125. 50 plus 125 is 175. So is it balanced or not? Balanced. So I've got to know that x is equal to 50. Are you able to follow? This is what is happening here. 95 minus 8, 87 plus 27, 114 minus 64, and 50 plus 125. So x is 50, but he says quantity 1 is 9/50th of x. So quantity 1 will be equal to 9/50 into x, which is 50 itself. So it will be equal to 9. Quantity 1 is 9. Now find out quantity 2 and compare. Okay. So compare with y now. Find out y. Let me just clear this up. You know that x is equal to 9 or this is equal to 9. Let's find out about y now. I guess this should be y. Find x value, right? Find y value from y square minus 7. So what do you think should be the answer? This is a simple quadratic equation, right? Minus 9 and minus 8. Minus 9y minus 8y, right? Minus 9y and 8y. So what will be the values of y? Anyone? What are the values of y? 9 and 8, right? 9 and 8. See, if you have solved enough questions on quadratic equations, you would know that this is like y minus 9 into y minus 8. So the values of y would be 9 and 8. You can do that mentally. It's not a complex quadratic equation, right? So 9 and 8 and x is equal to 9. So basically there are two comparisons, right? X with y1 and x with y2, right? Only one value of x with two values of y. So if we compare 9 with 9, what do we get? X is equal to y. If we compare 9 with 8, what do we get? X is greater than y. So overall it is x greater than or equal to y, right? X greater than or equal to y. So answer should be what? Quantity 1 is greater than or equal to quantity 2. Option 2, right?